Hi there. Welcome to week 2 of geometry. I hope your first week went pretty well. You're getting into the swing of things. It's a different world. It's not what we're used to, but that doesn't mean it's bad. That just means it's different, right? So we're all good. We're going to make our way through it. I hope you've kind of gotten the feeling that I'm here to help you. Let's make sure things are going good. If you've got concerns or questions, let's address them. Let's talk about them. If I'm doing something in a weird way, like how we're doing it on Google Classroom, let me know. So if I'm looking a little tired, it's because it's the end of the first week. It's Friday afternoon. I am a little tired, but I'm excited to get rested up and start week 2. So first of all, on our Google Classroom page, on the streaming page, I sent out a remind text with our information about our virtual meets next week. So 1:10 is the time. Second hour of meetings will be on Monday this week at 1:10, and fifth hour will be Tuesday. We are doing the black and orange weeks, so that's going to change, but I'll send you a reminder every time so that you know. I've also got the link in here for you already. I'll probably send out a quick reminder that morning or something. The Meet link is the same as what's on your Google Classroom page, so you can always go to that. We'll probably stop sending that link as we go. So if I jump over to the Classwork page, notice I've got a week 2 folder. The only thing in there is section 1-2. The rest of it is scheduled to come in or to show up this afternoon at 3 o'clock. So since it's not there yet, when you probably go to look at it, it will be. But if we look at the stream page, here we go. I hope everything's going well, like I said. Textbooks, please get into your online textbook. I know sometimes people are like, oh, I just take a picture, it'll be fine. Remember, you're either not here or you're here every other day. So just taking a picture is not always your easiest option. Please get into that online textbook. When I looked last night, it was about half of the people still had not accessed that. The few people who have messaged me about that, text message me through Remind, I have set them up pretty quickly. So if you tell me what you want your password to be, I can send you back your username and password with access to your book. So this week on Monday and Tuesday, we're going to be doing, it looks like a lot on Monday and Tuesday. But remember, we're going to 90-minute class periods. So we're going to have sections 1-2 and then 1-3A. It should be review for 1-3A and B because it's distance formula, Pythagorean theorem, and midpoints. So 1-2 and 1-3A with assignments on Monday and Tuesday, 1-3B with an assignment, and then we're going to review for our first quiz. Our first quiz will be on Friday or Monday, depending on which day you have class. I think I'm going to ask all the virtual people to take that quiz on Friday. You've got access to the review worksheet and other things prior to that, so you should be okay. It's all about pacing yourself and making sure you're good. But I'm thinking Friday is going to be the day that we make that happen. After the quiz, we're going to do section 1-4 and an assignment. Excuse me. I told you I was tired, right? I was just showing you. So that is our plan for week 2. Please remember, everything's changing. Sometimes I think I overestimate. If we don't get to 1-4, we push things back. I'll do like I did this week, which is I will switch that section 1-2 that we were supposed to do this week to the next week. You virtual people are good. You're going to do it sooner or later, so it's okay. So no worries about that. We'll get through week 2. Be watching for stuff to come up. Maybe you're a weekend worker, so stuff will be up at Friday at 3 o'clock, and you can get started on next week's stuff unless you want to wait until next week. So there are a couple things up here in the Classroom site. Also, I want you to notice I added a little extra video here. I'm going to just add some extra things, or maybe an online activity, something like that, just to help you visualize or process that information. So it's not an assignment, it's just an extra. It has this little icon in front of it instead of the clipboard. That means it's some sort of assignment or something kind of thing that you need to do. It also does not have a due date. So be on the lookout for those. I'm trying to find a little extra things for you just to make sure that you have some chance to practice and more explanation. Let me know how things are going and shoot me a text. Texting is always easiest, remember, because I can respond to you pretty quickly. Emailing Sometimes it takes me longer. I don't have my school email on my phone, so I have to get home. I check it maybe once a night, but I'm not as good about getting those back, although I do turn them around pretty quick. So that is it for week 2 of geometry. If you've got any concerns or questions, feel free to get a hold of me. I would love to hear from you. Love to hear your concerns, answer your questions. I'm looking forward to our Google Meet. Remember, that's going to be next Monday and Tuesday. I'll shoot you a text maybe in the morning on each day to make sure that you remember that it's there. So, all right, have a great week, a great weekend, depending on when you're watching this, and I will talk to you next time.